Today we have here assembled the most unfortunate, untimely demise of one of the. I would like to convey a message to the young, enthusiastic, and thrill and adventuring students, because you know very well how things has happened to reach this. The person who is having a bright future and parents having lot of aspirations about him, because of some adventurous experiment through his classmates and himself. So unfortunately met with an accident. So and he reached the abode of the God. But we know very well the Constitution has given certain things for our rights and as well as duties. We always fight for our rights, but at the same time, what are our duties also we should recall the responsibilities. We are away from a place and you have to be little more cautious. You may not be aware of every route, every place when you want to drive adventure and thrill it. So everyone has to take this one as a kind of lesson and be more disciplined, especially to the young generation I am making. And you also have the great memories with these 2 years of study in this campus with Nilesh Jaggi, and you are also emotionally attached to him, and you should give a sign to the future generation what we should do and what we should not do. And I am deeply concerned for their families and whose loss is unrepairable and cannot be compensated. And we don't want to see such kind of events to happen in this campus, and we have to make note of this, and we should continue our
Rahman Rahim. Respected Director Professor Ramindernath ji, respected faculty members, students, there are some words of advice for the students. I will quote one saying of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that what is the difference between a disciplined person and an indisciplined person. He has told that a disciplined person is the example of a camel is tied with a peg and rope. So camel is grazing around that circle, and whenever he wants to go out of that circle, that rope is pulling him. This rope is discipline. And an indisciplined person is there. He has no rope, he has no peg, he can go anywhere. This is just an advice. Of course, there are emotions among children, young students. They want to go for adventures. We have to fulfill these obligations. Somebody has spent money for us. Somebody is going for labor for the day. He is earning and he is spending that money for this child. And this child is thinking that, okay, whatever I like, I will do that. It is not like that. Discipline comes here. So along with getting A+, 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 A+ grade, you have to be disciplined also.
So on behalf of Mechanical Department, all the staff members, students, we express our deepest condolences to the family of Mr. Vipul Tyagi. So Mr. Vipul Tyagi was our student in 4th Mechanical. He was a well-behaved student, hardworking, and he was very good at studies. From the feedback of our teachers, now our faculty members, they had very good opinion about him. So, but you know that we cannot. So everything was destined. He had to. He met that fatal accident. So it was everything was decided for him. So we could not do anything. So, but. And during this thing, once he met this accident, he battled for his life in skill. So many faculty members from our department visited him. So he was fighting it out. But finally, yesterday he gave away. So our department, in fact, all the students, are praying to Almighty Allah that He should give strength and patience to the family of Mr. Vipul Tyagi for this tremendous loss. In fact, our department also lost a young budding student. So I request all the students of our department, in fact, of all the institute, that they should be disciplined, as Professor Nazir Ahmed said, and before that, Professor Nath also said, we should be very disciplined, because discipline is the key to success.
That student was doing B.Tech project at RMB, and he almost had completed out. He was now completing the formalities, and he had called his parents to visit Kashmir. Then his father came to my chamber, and his son told me he is my supervisor. I have done the project under him. And his father came and he is starting to touch my feet. I don't know, I don't believe in this, I'm not here, it is my duty. He said, no sir. He was from south, I don't know, Maharashtra, Nagpur, somewhere. He said, no, we are leaving this student here because you are his or her guardian, you are his or her parents, you are everything for him. So we leave our children because of we have trust in the teachers. So it is the teacher not only is teaching the class, but at the same time, it is our duty to keep an eye on our students, what they are doing. If they are involved in some kind of indiscipline, although we cannot read it, but there is a dean students there, wardens there, we need to keep some eye on that students, whether are they involved in some kind of undisciplined activity, which may prove sometimes fatal, as it has put here. I still remember, I don't know, 10, 15 years back, I don't know exact time, 4 students were killed while they were traveling from Jammu to Srinagar. Again, accident was. Again, they had reached from Delhi to Jammu, and then on the same day they started with traveling. Then again that time an advisory was issued from the institute that you should not, just try to avoid traveling in Sumo, etc. Now 4 students, it's not a joke. They got six. They had 6 students. They got killed in this. 4. So now, okay, we say it is everybody has to meet this fate in the life.
How this has happened, but the conditions that time were that it had been raining and the Foreshore Road was inundated. There was a lot of water that was there. It was already floody situation there. And in that situation, they were riding the bike. I'm not sure with what speed they were riding the bike, but this was a risk doing that time. Although, it's in one's fate, you never know what's going to happen, even, when you take precautions. But then having that much of, God has given us that sense and that liberty to decide what's good and what's bad. We know, if there is risk involved in something, we have to take that precaution and just try to avoid the risk. Why should we take a risk? And you see, even we suspended the classes, and Kashmir University suspended the classes because the situation was such. Although this was 1 or 2 days before that had happened, but the conditions were very bad. So that time it was not required to a risk to be taken that much. And in other aspects also, we should, as a faculty member, I would advise all my students that don't take risk unnecessarily where you feel that there will be a problem to our life. So we should not do that. So I extend my deepest sorrow and deepest condolences to the family of the bereaved of our student, and request all of you to pray, and I myself pray for the peace of the soul of our student, and may Almighty give courage and strength to the bereaved family, his parents, his near and dear ones, to endure this loss.